Hello, so happy to have you here. Today we will be making these gorgeous invitations for our Navajo baby laughing party. They go together with an entire bundle if you would like to get it. I've left it in the description. The bundle comes with cups and party bowls, a banner, these beautiful 3D party favor baskets to bring your entire party together. First, let's start with the inner invitation. All you'll need to make this beautiful invitation right here is your cuts from your cut file. They will include this white inner part and this beautiful design on the outer basket. If you look at your white cut, you will see there's glue guides that will help you to place the elements of your basket. First the black, make sure you use the glue guides, and then the black has a glue guide within it to be able to place your red circle perfectly, just like that. And what you will get is this beautiful invitation that fits perfectly inside of our envelope. So let's get started on our envelope. All you'll need for the envelope is the body of your envelope. This will go on the inside, the small black strip and the small red strip. And then on the flap on the back, you will have the larger black strip, your white design, and your red strip. So what you want to start with is this design right here on the front of your envelope. We're going to work on that. And what you need to do is take this smaller black strip and place it to cover these holes. And then you take your thin red strip and you center it right here in the middle of the white, just like that. Okay, so glue that together, set it aside or hold it with a paper clip, and then we're going to be working on this back flap set. Goes over here. Okay, so as you can see, this white part doesn't go far enough to cover the entire back. So to be able to extend this flap in the back, you will need to create this first. You can see the dashes on the glue guide. All you need to do is align your white paper with the glue guide dashes, and then there's also a glue guide right down here. Align that, and when this dries, you can glue it to this back flap of your 8.5 by 11 envelope to look like this. And then you just let that dry, and then you can glue all of these together to form your envelope. And then what you have is the most beautiful and unique invitation to your little one's laughing party or other event that you'd like to use these Navajo Wedding Basket invitations for. Just like that. I would be so excited to be invited to a party with this invitation. Have fun making this, and if you would like the entire bundle, I've left the links below, and you can get the files for all the other elements of the party as well. See you again soon for more creations like this. Bye.